Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain about in short ICH guideline, International Counseling for Harmonization. It has 14 guideline Q1 to Q14. Let's start it. ICH Q1 Stability Q1A to Q1F defines stability testing requirements for drug substance and drug products. Covers factors like temperature, humidity, and light exposure to determine shelf life. Include guidelines for photostability testing, bracketings, and matrixing design and stability data evaluation. ICH-Q2 Analytical Validation. This guideline provides a framework for validating analytical procedures used in drug testing. Covers parameters like accuracy, precision, specificity, detection limit, quantification limit, and robustness. ICH Q3 Impurities Q3A to Q3D establish limits and control strategies for organic, inorganic, and residue solvents impurities in drug substance and drug products. Ensure that impurities are kept at safe level to avoid toxicity. This guideline includes on genotoxic impurities and elemental impurities. ICH Q4 Pharmacopoeia. This guideline harmonize pharmacopoeial standard across regions. Example USP, EP, JP. Ensure consistency in testing methods, specification, and acceptance criteria for drug substance and excipients. ICH Q5 Quality of biotechnological product Q5A to Q5E covers quality aspect of biotech derived products, includes proteins, monoclonal antibodies, and vaccines. Addresses viral safety, cell substrate characterization, and stability testing. Provides guidelines on comparability for changes in manufacturing. ICH Q6 Specification Q6A to Q6B define specification for test acceptance criteria for drug substance and drug products. Q6A covers small molecules defining parameters like purity, potency, dissolutions, and microbial limits. Q6B specific to biotechnological products ensuring control over biological activity, heterogeneity, and immunochemical properties. ICH Q7 Good Manufacturing Practice GMP for APIs. Establish GMP guidelines for the manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredients. Covers key areas like documentation, process validation, quality control, personal training, and environmental control. ICH Q8 Pharmaceutical Development Quality by Design QBD focuses on systematic drug formulation and process development using QBD principles. Encourage manufacturers to understand product and process viability to ensure consistent quality. Emphasizes concepts like design of excipient and critical quality attributes. ICH Q9 Quality Risk Management QRM provide a risk-based approach to identify, evaluate, and control quality risk in drug manufacturing. Introduce tools like failure mode effect analysis and hazard analysis and critical control points. Helps minimize batch failure, improve efficiency, and enhance patient safety. ICH-Q10 Pharmaceutical Quality System establish a comprehensive quality management system covering the entire drug lifecycle, aligns with ISO 9001 principle and ensure regulatory compliance, promotes continuous improvement and quality culture within the pharmaceutical companies. ICH-Q11 Development and Manufacture of Drug Substance focus on the specific principle of API manufacturing, covers chemical and biological drug substance including batch and continuous process, provide guidance on process validation and impurity control. ICH Q12 Lifecycle Management Facilities post-approval changes in drug substance and products while maintaining quality. Introduce post-approval changes management protocols. Ensure regulatory flexibility to optimize manufacturing process without compromising safety. ICH-Q 13 continues manufacturing of drug substance and products. Encourage modern automated manufacturing techniques to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Ensure consistent quality by integrating real-time monitoring. Ensure consistent quality by integrating real-time monitoring. Help industries transition from traditional batch process to continuous manufacturing. ICHQ 14 Analytical Procedure Development provide systematic approaches to developing analytical methods. Complement ICHQ2 by introducing flexibility and lifecycle management for analytical procedure. Supports continuous improvement in analytical method to enhance accuracy and efficiency. I hope you like this information useful. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.